Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a semi-furnished 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home for sale. It sits on 0.14 acres and comes with floor space of approximately 7,000 square feet. It is located in the gated community of Vista Del Mar in St. Anne. It is the perfect place to call home. It is located just 15 minutes from Ocherius and is also conveniently situated between Montego Bay and the toll road to Kingston. The cozy beds and modern kitchen appliances will make you feel right at home, and the walled and gated yard provides extra security for your family. More so, the covered parking with an automatic garage door will keep your car safe and secure. This home is move-in ready and waiting for you to make it your own. Contact agent today to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 450,000 or Jamaican $69.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.